From e-bike charging to modern storage solutions, Saris Infrastructure is the #1 place to find innovative cycling solutions. Now you can download free CAD and BIM models for many of their popular solutions. Let's take a look. From the homepage, hover over Products and choose Bike Parking. For this example, we'll choose Saris's customizable stack racks. On the product page, scroll down to the product configurator. Here you can customize the product using the options on the left. On the right, you see a real-time interactive preview of the product, which you can rotate, pan, and zoom within the window. To download free CAD or BIM models of the product, click the CAD Download tab, and then click Add Formats. Choose from over 150 file formats and versions, including Autodesk Revit, so you get a CAD or BIM file that works natively in your software. You can also download a 3D PDF datasheet, which includes a 3D viewer, technical drawings, and a bill of materials. Finally, click Start Generation. For more CAD and BIM models of the bike solutions you need, go to sarisinfrastructure.com and visit partsolutions.com to learn more about online solutions for industrial manufacturers.